What? We haven't, because our lessons haven't been that long. So the warm-up is actually questions off of the worksheet. So it should be really simple to do. And it's stuff you have to do anyway, so it's not anything extra. These are the types of questions that I feel like you might have the most trouble with on the worksheet. So the way the worksheet works is that on the front is the turkey, and then on the back are all the problems where you're going to do all the work. So on the front with the turkey, there's not enough room to work things out. But when you get done and we go to check it, the way that the answers are, it shows all the answers on the front, just the numbers. So it might help you if, like, as you get the answers, just writing the value on the front, and then you know how to color it. So yes, you got to color it. For question 15, so do this on your warm-up. We've got fractions, but they don't all have the same denominator. Can we make it the same denominator? Yeah, what do we have to do? We need to fix the 1/2, and to fix the 1/2 so that it has a denominator of 4, we're going to have to multiply the whole thing by 2/2 and rewrite it. And when I rewrite it, anytime you have a fraction and an x, the x is going to go on top. So this is like 1x/4. So when you rewrite it, put the x on top. Our goal is to get the x by itself. So to get the x by itself, we could take this 2/4 to the other side. It's a positive 2/4. So when we take it over, we're going to subtract 2/4. So if I have 1 and I take away 2, how many do I have? -1. Very good. Guess what? We have 2 fractions. They're equal to each other. We can do bat and ball. This is now a proportion. We can multiply that and divide by that. So 4 times -1, that's -4 divided by 4. What's -4 divided by 4? -1. So you can flip it over and see, is that an option for your answers? Okay. So for question number 15, we just did the work on the warm-up. You don't have to put all the work on the paper. If you did, that's fine. It's whatever. But you can look at the turkey side and you can write that value down. You can write down -1. For question 19. Question 19, we need to, we want to deal with the fraction, but we can't yet. We have to get rid of the add and subtract. So we are subtracting 1. So over here, we will add 1. And again, anytime I rewrite that fraction, see how it's got 5/6 and then the x, I'm going to put the x up with the 5 so I don't make a mistake. So it's 5x/6. I really don't like it when they write it like that because it can be confusing. The x has to go on top. So what's 4 + 1? 5. All right, so this is a 2-step equation. I need to multiply by 6. What's 5 times 6? 30. What times 5 gives you 30? So what's x equal to? For each one of these, I expect to see some work. Okay, nobody's trying to do these all in your head, and if you turn it in without any work, you will get a 50. So it's not worth it. This is all I have scheduled for us to do today. So make sure that you turn in your warm up. That's an easy grade. And then all you have to do is your turkey and color it and you're done. So today we are doing, put your work here and color the other side. And we will grade it at the end of class.